Good evening, everyone. This is Lynn from Paper Peas. Today I am on with a gift, Happy Mail that I received from at So What 2025. Now, she recently won one of my giveaways for Flip Through Friday, but I did not anticipate receiving something back from her. Now, I've got it on this side because I had to take our addresses and things off. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the package and come right back, okay? Okay, let's see what's going on with this package. I have no idea what's in here. Pretty tissue. I'm going to be holding on to that. Okay. Love this. Let me see what this beautiful card says. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. Let me see. Oh. So, she won the self-care paper pad. She said she made me something for my birthday. You guys, if you've ever watched me before, you know right now the bahoo-ness is setting in because I'm just, okay, so I've got two things here. Let's see what's going to happen here. I love this tissue paper. Oh, look. Oh, this is so pretty. Look. These are so nice. Oh my goodness, look. And this I can put on my journals. Oh my goodness, look at this. This is so pretty. Oh my word. Oh my word, this is so nice. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, I like this. Oh my goodness, let's see what's in this other one. Oh my word. Okay. Oh my goodness, look. Wait a minute. Oh my word. Let me, oh my word. So, oh my word, look. Oh my gosh. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. These are, oh my gosh. These are so nice. And yes, you will, oh my goodness. You will see these in a journal. You will see these reused. Oh my goodness. These are, oh wow. These are so lovely. Oh my word. I really don't know what to say other than thank you. Look at this. This is so nice. This is so nice. Miss Lucy, and as YouTube knows her as So What 2025, I am extremely appreciative of this gift. Everyone, I am going to leave her channel. I can't find my card, so I'm kind of thrown off. Okay, I'm going to leave her information in the description box so that you can go and check out her channel. These are so lovely. Oh my word. These are so lovely. Thank you so much, Lucy. Everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to tune into Paper Peas. This is a very unexpected birthday gift. Nonetheless, extremely appreciated. If you'd be so kind as to like, subscribe, share, comment. Go check out her channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. Take care.